He's from the south. Orange juice, wake up! We have a problem. It's an emergency.
Oh, okay, everybody, are you ready? We're on in 5. Orange juice, cranberry juice, vodka, and peach. Well, hey, guys, what's going on? Orange juice.
Come on.
What's the matter?
These guys suck. I can't work like this. It's like peach. I hate peach. Who wants peach?
Okay, nobody.
Come on. Okay. I have expenses. I need more money. This gig is like no. I have a private shaker. I have a personal assistant, bartender. I have ice running from the Arctic Circle, man. I need this crap. It's not easy living on the top shelf, you know. Come on. I'm like the most popular ingredient ever. I get calls from screwdriver, Russian Brazilian, White Russian, all the servers, man. I can mix with everything. Come on. What about that crappy guy? He's fruity and bitter, and he's why are you so uptight, man?
You see this? This is what I have to work with. This is unprofessional. I don't even know what you are. What are you? You're not even a real fruit.
You're oranges.
Come on, guys, just could you please keep it down? You don't know what it's like. I have to get up at 7 a.m. every morning. Seriously, every goddamn morning. And I have to stand at the breakfast table several hours. There isn't even any ice cubes.
Can you drink some coffee or something?
And now you expect me to just stand around in the bar as well?
Yeah, you need to, watch the sunrise with your body. Tequila.
I don't know what you're complaining about. I'm a grapefruit. No one wants grapes. I'm even pink and coral and
Sorry.
sweet and...
You're a peach.
Yes, why don't deal with me? I'm a fruit too, but I was just born in the wrong tree.
Okay, listen, could you please not be so bitter all the time? It is actually pretty annoying.
Do you want the story of my life?
Yes.
Ever since I was a little plant, I used to become a Pinot Noir. I pictured myself lying on the shelf in all around the world in wine cellars. But that dream was taken away from me. And now I have to watch in the gutter. I have to sit in the gutter. And I have to sell myself for cheap money. It's shameful.
Shut up, man. Shut up.
I need this job, otherwise I'll just be an unused
Okay, guys, everybody, calm down.
Unused fruit ever.
Okay, calm down.
Just
Everybody.
come to sunny California with me. Just
Shut
come down.
up.
Okay, enough. Vodka. You know what? The only reason you and Eric drink is that you have no flavor. There's like no taste in you, no consistency. What can you eat? What is your taste? It's nothing. You know? Yeah, you know what? All these other drinks you mentioned, I spoke with the guys from White Russian. They don't like you. Kahlua hates it when you're on top of him. Cranberry juice.
Was that nice?
Oh, shut up. Cranberry juice. When I found you lying in the gutter, you were nothing. You were nothing but something that women used to drink when they had bladder infections. But I picked you up and I took you under my wing and I made you into a real ingredient. And this is how you pay me, you ungrateful bastard! Orange juice. Hey, he's actually right. You're not even a fruit. You know what? You're made from extract. Do you even have
I
pulp?
like concentrated and stuff.
Yeah. Do you even have pulp? I don't think so. So you should just drink some coffee and lay off in the mornings, you know? And you know what else? You taste bad after I brush my teeth.
But everything tastes bad right after you brush the teeth.
And Peach, your problem is that nobody wants you, except for me. There's nothing you can do.
But I'm kind of important. I can be used for...
Yeah, name one drink that has peach in it.
I could be used for Cuba Libre Ghost Grip.
You're a peach. You're a peach. And no one could believe it for you. No. You know what? You need this job. Nobody else wants you. If you don't take this job, you're gonna end your days in a tin can until somebody eats you with whipped cream on top. So everybody, we need to do this. Pull your act together. Get up there. If that's your name on the poster over there, people are waiting for you. Come on. Are you ready for this?
Yeah.
Come on. Vodka. I'll give you 20% of Peach's salary.
Hey,
50, deal. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
Yeah! 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 So, during this week we've been doing some sort of presentation, a short sketch every evening, and we've been getting a lot of questions like, how do you get the ideas? How much time do you spend on it? How do you even have time to spend on it? How do you do? Are you like professional artists or something? We're not. So we're gonna show you just how it happens. So imagine we're on Tuesday, it's about 4 in the afternoon, and it went something like this. Oh, so tired.
Oh, seriously.
Yeah.
Oh my god, man.
Oh, I'm so tired.
I
Seriously,
need more
man.
sleep, guys. Really.
We got like 5 hours and we need to get a sketch ready and we have to open the bar for like 3 hours in between.
Yeah.
We need
Then
to
we
get
have
that ice cream and jelly.
Yeah,
because
more
then
ice cream.
eat it again.
So much ice
The
cream.
wheel is
Oh,
just punctured.
Jesus. And this theme, James Bond goes Latin. What does
What's up with
what does
that?
it even mean? What does it even mean?
Where did that come from?
Jesus. I don't get it, man.
I don't get it. This is just
We need inspiration.
Okay, I
We need-
think, guys, we need some coffee and then we'll get this straight.
Yeah, that's a good start. That's a good start.
Oh, this is working. This is working. Okay, new ideas. Okay, I got it. Okay, so maybe we can make like a wordplay, like maybe it's James Bond goes Latin instead of that. Oh, could that work?
I got that one. Yeah.
Okay, other ideas? Any ideas?
Yeah. Maybe we just need like a very nice manuscript.
A manuscript.
Yeah.
Lines, real lines.
Hey,
That's a good idea.
and hey, what about guns?
Guns.
I love guns.
Nuts.
Hey, everybody loves guns.
So obviously,
We need something to make us unique. You know what? We need to bring something nobody else has. We need to bring in some sort of...
a white cat for the bad guy. So cool. So maybe we should make
Like a Cuban, German kind of DJ.
Yeah, with tacky something
we
sometimes.
should make some kind of sound like okay, guys, let's go open.
Hey guys,
Yeah, let's go open the bar and then we'll work on it later. And then about 4 or 5 hours later, we were back in the same place when we went back to the room, and it went something like this.
I'm done.
So tired.
What made me do this?
So much ice cream. How can they eat so much ice cream?
No idea. It's like some people just they eat one for lunch and then they want another one for fucking dinner.
Yeah, or maybe just like 3 more for dinner.
Yeah, maybe. Oh, now we have the one with caramel. Oh, I have to try that one as well.
we need more money.
Both classic and almonds and caramel. What's
What's up with that?
Jesus, and we got like
10
what,
minutes?
10 minutes
Yeah.
to the bottom.
What kind of, we had an idea.
We had an idea, but
It's so weird.
It's not really funny.
Will people get it? Broncos the team.
yeah, well,
It's a bit.
it's a sort of good idea, but how do we make it like really funny?
I'm too tired. You
I
know?
think people will just laugh at us
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we suck so much.
and none of the sketch they want.
I got it. Okay, we need some booze. We need some booze, and then we'll get this straight.
And a beer could be awesome.
Beer, maybe some vodka, maybe some vodka.
Hey.
Oh,
Oh, that's
okay,
all the creativity.
Okay, more ideas.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
rising up now.
Yeah.
Maybe-
Hey.
Maybe we should go rip the costume room, you know, some nice outfits, make us
Yeah.
dress up a bit funny, just a tiny bit funny.
Get in character.
Maybe the DJ could put on like the theme of the song. like,
Yeah.
really loud.
At the right time.
It's so epic. It's
Whoa, guys,
Yeah.
guys, I got it.
Yeah.
We should get drumming.
We should get
Hey, I have another idea. Hey. We need to put double the amount of alcohol in the drinks, so the people will get
Get the
drunk.
audience drunk.
Get the audience
Get
drunk.
the audience drunk.
Oh yeah.
doesn't matter what we do.
No,
Everything is funny.
everything is funny.
Exactly.
Yeah.
A drunk audience is a grateful audience. Okay, maybe we should just try and do this, play through a couple of. Oh shit!
Oh, fuck, man.
It's just like-
We got 7 minutes. We gotta go open the bar.
Yeah,
Open the bar.
open bar.
Hello. It was me with the wings. If you didn't know.
On behalf of the bar, I'd just like to take this opportunity to say thank you very much for all the tips so far. And for all your friendly remarks and for all your compliments and yeah, just thank you. And as Esben said, some of you guys have been asking us if we were professional actors or something like that, and that's not true at all.
You're just drunk.
You just I guess it was just because that we made you drunk. So I guess in that way, that
We were
makes
pretty
us
smart.
Funny. Yeah, we were pretty smart.
Unprofessional.
You're professional, maybe. So on behalf of the bar, thank you.
Thank you.